Okay, the worrying headline is UK GDP unexpectedly flatlines in third quarter. Well, of course it does. Income, GDP of a country, the gross domestic product, the services and goods it sells in a year can only come from three sources. Okay, it's going to come from either private consumption, that's you and me going out to a restaurant or whatever. Okay, now consumers are feeling the pinch because of cost of living crisis, and it's hardly as if the news looks very good. The only place we seem to be spending is we bugger off abroad on a British Airways flight and spend it in Dubai. Well, that doesn't really help the British economy now, does it? So consumption, it's not really buoyant, is it? You know. Secondly, corporate investment. Well, corporate investment's got a problem. Two main problems. Corporation tax is going to be staying at 25% for the next 5 years because the government has said so. They made it very clear. And employer national insurance has gone up. So as a company, I'm thinking, well, I've got less money to invest, obviously. Okay, unless somehow magically I can muster up more profits. Well, I just told you consumption's got a bit of a problem. So that doesn't look like it's about to happen anytime soon. And then the third source, so after consumption and investment, is government spending. Well, the government's told us they haven't got money. So that's the end of that. Now, this is in broad terms, but yeah, no wonder GDP has flatlined. My prediction, we'll probably get a recession in 2025 in the UK. That's not necessarily bad for the US economy. For the UK stock market. It's not necessarily bad for the UK stock market. And the reason is this. The stock market usually starts rising once you're in the middle of a recession. And the reason is it anticipates you getting out of it. So we'll see. But yeah, I don't wish a recession on the UK. But where it's happened, it might not be bad news for the UK stock market. Follow, like, subscribe, alpeshpatel.com/links, or the links are in the bio as well if you want to learn more about investing. And if you want to download a free copy of one of my 18 books, Investing Unplugged, published by Palgrave Macmillan, please do. That was my second ever book, and that's 25 years ago. It was an international bestseller for the Financial Times, trading online. Okay, big, thick book. I'm not going to do a Donald Trump and say greatest book ever written, but it was pretty bloody good. Links are in the bio, alpeshpatel.com/links. Do like and follow. Thank you all very much.